Unlock a new level of online banking security and say goodbye to fraud worries with your NatWest card reader. First, let's get your card reader ready. Ensure it's switched on if it's been a while. A simple press of the power button will bring it to life. Now, it's time to insert your NatWest card into the designated slot. Make sure it's the correct way up, just as indicated on the device. The card reader will now prompt you to enter your card's PIN. Type this in carefully on the keypad and then press the green confirmation button. You'll then see a series of numbers on the card reader screen. This is your unique code. Now, on your computer or mobile device, navigate to your NatWest online banking login page. Locate the field asking for your authentication code. Carefully enter the numbers displayed on your card reader into this field on the website or app. Accuracy is key here. Once you've entered the correct code, you'll be securely logged into your NatWest online banking account, ready to manage your finances with confidence. When making payments, whether it's paying a bill or transferring funds, your card reader will once again be your security guard. You'll be presented with a transaction summary on your screen. The card reader will then display a different set of numbers, or it might prompt you to enter transaction details. Follow the on-screen instructions on your card reader to generate a new, unique code for this specific payment. Enter this new code into the designated field on your online banking. This verifies the transaction and ensures it's genuinely you authorizing the movement of money. Even when making changes to your account, like updating your contact details, the card reader plays a vital role. You'll be prompted to verify these changes for extra protection. Similar to making a payment, your card reader will generate a specific code for this account alteration. Input this code into the online banking system to confirm the change. By consistently using your NatWest card reader for logins, payments, and account verifications, you're significantly boosting your online banking security and effectively preventing unauthorized access and fraud. Stay safe, stay secure. Your NatWest card reader is your essential tool for peace of mind in the digital world.